Impossible is a word found only in the dictionary of fools. Victory belongs to the most persevering. Great ambition is the passion of a great character. The best way to keep one's word is not to give it. Courage isn't having the strength to go on, it is going on when you don't have strength. In politics, an absurdity is not a handicap. The word impossible is not in my dictionary. A true man hates no one. He who fears being conquered is sure of defeat. The battlefield is a scene of constant chaos. The winner will be the one who controls that chaos, both his own and his enemies. Leaders are dealers in hope. Take time to deliberate, but when the time for action has arrived, stop thinking and go in. The only way to lead people is to show them a future. The greatest danger occurs at the moment of victory. Glory is fleeting, but obscurity is forever. The first virtue in a soldier is endurance of fatigue. Courage is only the second virtue. 10 people who speak make more noise than 10,000 who are silent. He who does not punish evil commands it to be done. The world suffers a lot, not because of the violence of bad people, but because of the silence of good people. Ability is nothing without opportunity. There is no such thing as accident. It is fate misnamed. The greatest proof of courage is to bear defeat without losing heart. There are only two forces in the world, the sword and the spirit. Never interrupt your enemy when he is making a mistake. The surest way to remain poor is to be an honest man. I love power, but it is as an artist that I love it. I love it as a musician loves his violin, to draw out its sounds and chords and harmonies. The strong man is the one who is able to intercept at will the communication between the senses and the mind. Men are more easily governed through their vices than through their virtues. The truest wisdom is a resolute determination. I can no longer obey. I have tasted command, and I cannot give it up. A true man of honor feels humbled himself when he cannot help humbling others. The great proof of madness is the disproportion of one's designs to one's means. If you want a thing done well, do it yourself. A throne is only a bench covered with velvet. The world is not run by thought, nor by imagination, but by opinion. The strongest carries his head the lowest. The true genius shudders at incompleteness. The greatest general is he who makes the fewest mistakes. The human race is governed by its imagination. The fool has one great advantage over a man of sense. He is always satisfied with himself. Death is nothing, but to live defeated is to die every day. Men are moved by two levers only, fear and self-interest. I am the state. A soldier will fight long and hard for a bit of colored ribbon. The strong man is the one who is able to intercept at will the communication between the senses and the mind. There are only two forces in the world, the sword and the spirit. I am the emperor and above grammar. A leader is a dealer in hope. Courage isn't having the strength to go on, it is going on when you don't have strength. Seek wisdom in the shadows, and you will find the light of understanding. True courage is in embracing the unknown. Courage turns fear into fuel for greatness.